Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand video guys. Today I will talk about the next price target of BTC price. Congratulations, 1.75% in last 24 hour pumps up, as I told you my brother in my last video about BTC. So absolutely you can see here we will see a good moment, and Bitcoin especially. And if we check out the all crypto market, so you just look out my brother, here is market cap increasing 2.59%, but my brothers the volume is still decreased. Okay, so I'm sure I'm still waiting for volume my brother, because when volume was increasing, definitely market cap and price was also increasing. All the coins my friends, especially altcoin season is going on continue my brother. Definitely I will be see my brother, you can see here this time BTC 25% volume decrease, but 1.75% the market cap was increasing. Remember guys, as I told you my brother, this time BTC is starting popping up, but little bit crash again we will see, as you can see here. So this type of moment we will see my brother sometime in market for retesting, but definitely I hope it will be again pump. I strongly recommend you to join my telegram group, because I provide you a future trading signals 10 to 15 daily. If you lose in one signal, also leave the group, no problem, but one time must try. See you next time guys.